Altium Designer's PCB editor uses the concept of design rules to define the requirements of a design. These rules collectively form an instruction set for the PCB editor to follow. They cover every aspect of the design, from routing widths, clearances, plane connection styles, routing via styles, and more. The powerful rules engine in Altium Designer allows a designer to be as broad or as granular as needed when creating rules for their PCB. Rules are easy to set up for common scenarios. Even complex rules are easy with custom queries. And if you need help, the Query Helper and Query Builder are by your side so you're never left feeling lost. Once rules have been created, Online DRC will help make sure you're coloring within the lines. Whenever you want to review the entire PCB, run a full batch design rule check, which gives you a complete report of all the violations in your design requiring your attention. To keep at your most efficient, use the Rules and Violations panel to enable and disable rules, check and clear violations for specific rules and rule classes, as well as navigate existing violations. With a well-defined set of design rules, one can successfully complete their board designs no matter how stringent the requirements. The PCB editor is rules-driven, so taking the time to set up the rules at the beginning of the design will enable you to safely and effectively design your board, knowing that the rule system is working hard to ensure your success.